Hey, my name's Tom. Today we're going to be fixing up my 2020 BMW S1000rr. It was really messed up in a theft and in a recovery. So about 3 weeks ago, it was parked here with the key in it next to my car, and some guy came in the garage door, backed it out, turned it around, and pushed it into the trailer he parked across the street. With a lot of help from the Austin motorcycle community, because I posted the surveillance video, and also the thief was seen at Moto Orangutan I got there. As I was able to get really good video of the guy. Somebody happened to spot him going down I-35. They followed him to a Texaco gas station at night. They called 911. The cops came, and the perp went and ran off, leaving me with a bike, sort of. I had to go to impound and pay $277 in order to get my bike back. But this is the bike. It had a bunch of damage associated with it. The most obvious thing is that the perp ripped off the entire tail. He crashed the front panel carrier, which is the biggest repair here. And apparently, in order to disguise the bike, he took off a bunch of the stock decals that come with it, what they call the M Sport decals that come with this, as well as ram ball mount, some camera mounts. He screwed up all this, and so we're gonna put it back together again.